Hello everyone, welcome again on the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala. Myself Vikram Saini and I am going to discuss the problem absolute maximization code forces round 840 div 2. Okay. So the problem states that you are given an array A of length n and you can perform the following operation and several times and possibly 0. Choose I, J, B and swap the bit digit in the binary representation of AI and AJ and find the maximum possible value of maximum of A minus minimum of A. So you have to maximize this expression. Okay, and to understand this, let's take this test case. So this is our test case and I take this array. So our array is like 1 2 3 4 5. This is these are the elements of array and I write the binary representation of all the elements of array. You can see here. So now this is our expression that we want to maximize. Okay, now initially we take maxi and mini same. Okay. Now you want if this is our number and if you want to maximize this, then this is the binary representation. So order to maximize, you will choose this bit and you try to possible to convert it to 1. Okay, in order to maximize it. Okay, so how can you convert this? You will choose this number and you will choose any other number which contains 1 at this position, because now you can choose these two bits. Okay, and swap in these two bits. So let's initially for maxi is equal to 1. Okay, we take this the initial value. Okay, now you find this number, so you will swap this number and finally your 0 it will convert into 1. So now you will take now this bit. Okay, so order to maximize, you will choose any other elements which contains 1 at this position, and this is what 0 1 2 the second position. So you will choose you will find here. Okay, so at second position this number contains 1. Okay, 1. So these two number this bit and this bit, so swap and this 0 will convert into 1. Okay, so now you will choose this bit and now you will choose other elements which contains 1 at this position, but you can see no element contains 1 at this position, so we cannot convert this 0 into 1. Now same for this, we will try to converting this bit into 1, but no other element contains 1 at this position, so you cannot swap. Okay, so this is our possible maxi, and what is the this is the representation for 7. Okay, and same for now we try to minimize or mini, because you can see to maximize this whole expression you can maximize this value, and this is our maxi. Okay, you can maximize this value. Okay, what is this? You can maximize this value and minimize this value, so automatically this expression will get maximized. Okay, so now take this number. Okay, now we try to minimize this. Okay, so as initially mini we store 1. Okay, so this is the number. Now you want to minimize this number, so how can you minimize? You can see if you convert this 0 into 1, so this number will get minimized. Okay, so now we choose a element which contains 0 at this position. Okay, so you can see this number contains 0 at this position, so you will swap these two bits. Okay, so this one will convert into 0. Okay, finally now to get minimized, again you choose and position which contains 1 over here, but no one or in this number. Okay, so this will be your minimized number. This is 0. So finally our answer will be 7 minus 0, that is 7. Okay, so let's take this example also. You can see all the elements are equal and equal to 5. Okay, so first we will take this number and try to maximize this. Okay, so initially your maxi will be, okay, and as a mini we will store the same number. Okay, so now we are trying to maximize this number. So how can we maximize? By converting all the 0 bits into 1. Okay, so choose this number. You can see 0 over here. Now you will try to choose a number which contains 1 at this position. So this not so no other elements contains 1 at this position, so we cannot convert this number, because if you choose this number and any other elements and this bit, so if you swap, then this 0 will again it convert into 0, so this not make any sense. Okay, so we cannot convert this 0, so it will remain same. Now if you choose this 0, so we'll try to choose a number which contains 1 at this position. Okay, so you can see not an element contains 1 at this position, so this 0 will also same, and same goes for these bits. Okay, so we cannot convert any 0 into 1. Okay, so this is our maximum value. So and this is the representation for 5, and for minimum also we choose this number, and we try to minimize this number. Okay, so in order to minimize, we convert all the ones and try to convert all the ones into 0. So for this position we'll choose this position and try if any elements contains 0 at this position, so that we can swap them. But you can see no other elements contain 0 at this position, so this will 1 will remain same. Okay, now we took this 1, so we cannot swap this number also, because you can see all this number contains 1 at this position. Okay, so this is also remains same, and this is equal to 5, and our answer will be 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is for this input. Okay, so what you can observe from here, if you're trying to maximize this number, so you will obviously you will try to convert all the zeros into 1, and if any elements contains 1 at this position, so you will swap them and convert this 0 bit into 1. Okay, so you can simply take OR operation, like you will take OR of this number with this number and check if this number convert if this number contains 1 at this position, so OR operation will convert this bit into 1, because OR of 0 and 1 will be 1, so this 0 will be converted automatically into 1 if you take OR of these two numbers. Okay, so simply what we can do, we take OR this number and perform OR operation with all the elements. So if any elements contains 1 at this position, so this 0 will converted into 1, and same for other elements. If any other elements contains 1 at this position, so after performing OR operation, this 0 will converted in 1. Okay, so in order to get maximize, we will take OR all the elements, and same for mini. If we try to minimize this number, so if we take AND, so if any elements contains 0 at this position, so AND operation convert this 0 this 1 into 0. Okay, so this is our mini. Okay, so in order to get minimize, initially this is our one. Okay, we will take AND with all the elements of the array, so that if any elements contains 0 at this position, this one will automatically converted into 0. And if so if one over here, so if any other elements contain 0 at this position, so this one will automatically converted into 0. Okay, so for getting mini, we will perform AND operation with all the elements. Okay, so let's move on the code part. You can see here, first I take n and take input of n, and I take a vector of int of size n and take input over here. Now I create a maxi and mini variable, and initially we store the first element of vector in both of them. Okay, now I run our loop from 1 to n, and in maxi we will take or with all the other elements. Okay, by simply taking maxi or v of I, and in mini I am storing the mini with AND operation of every elements of array. So I take vector over here, so mini with every elements of vector, and last I create the answer variable, and this answer I store the maxi minus mini, because this is our desired required answer, and we have to maximize this value. So now in last I simply print our answer. Okay, so this is my accepted solution. So this is the code for this problem. Thank you.